This is my high lift jack, 48 inches tall. It was adequate when I first got the truck. It was on stock suspension and 31 inch tall tires. But after the 4 inch lift and 35 inch tall tires, it's just not high enough. It just don't jack up enough to get my tires off the ground. So I could buy a new jack. They come in 60 inch now, but instead of buying a new jack, I just got one of these. A new bar. I'm gonna show you how to swap it in. Taking the jack apart is pretty easy. Just your top clamp's held on with a bolt here, and the bottom's held on with a clevis, and then a bolt holds this on for your winch kit, and then the rest just slides apart. So I'm gonna flip it up on its back, just so it holds it up. Clevis out, leave the foot on because it keeps it balanced, and I just use a 3/4 inch socket and just an adjustable wrench. Slide that off. And of course I got the Daystar handle holder on here that kind of pull that off too. And the bar just slides out. It's just as simple as taking the bar. Make sure all your lifted pawls line up. Just slide her in. And then just put her back together. And just like that, you go from your 48-inch high lift jack to your 60-inch high lift jack at a fraction of the cost of buying a new one. Next question is, does it still fit in the lock rack? Well, let's find out. Oh yeah, it fits. Barely. She fits. Contacts the bedside back here a little bit. Any longer, probably wouldn't have fit, but Worst case, I just space this out with a couple washers or something to give myself a little extra room, but don't have to, so all's good. I got a 60-incher. Something important to remember with these high lift jacks is to periodically clean and lubricate them. And to do that, I like to use this Blaster multi-purpose lubricant. Not sponsored. So, simple process. Just spray it in everywhere. Pins, backside, anything that moves. And I like to go up the bar, down the bar, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. No, not there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Go get your hands dirty. Judge. Do you like that?